Yo.
Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you guys how I will style gorgeous straight wig from asteria.com, www.asteriahair.com. They have their own website and all the details will be in the description box below. And then this is how the wig came. It came with an elastic band and a wig cap. And then in this video, I will be styling their 20 inches 6x6 deep part. Deep part is very gorgeous, and this is how the wig looks. You can see it's stretched. It came with combs, 3 combs, 2 at the side and 1 at the back. And then it's also machine weaving. You can see how the lace looks. And I will go ahead and just sew in the elastic band to the wig. And then this one is new method closure wig, 6x6, very deep and also very wide. You can see I am done sewing in the elastic band. It looks like this. What I will do now is just to go ahead and style the wig before I will put it on for you guys to see. I will section the wig middle part, which you guys can see. The part is very deep because you guys know this is 6x6. Spray in a little bit of water for the middle part to be showing better. And what I will do now is just to part it more. You can see you can part it very deep. I love this new method of closure. Oh my gosh, it's very gorgeous. I'll go ahead and dab in my concealer on the part so that it will be looking realistic. Just dab it in a little bit, and you can see how it looks right now. Try to bring out a little bit of baby hairs. This one is optional. You don't need to do this. Try to dab in a little bit of the concealer at the front, at the lace, excess lace at the front, so that it will match my skin tone later on if I put it on. And I went ahead and I cut off the excess lace, and then this is how it looks. This is me. I put on a wig cap. What I will do now is just to place the wig on my head, using the elastic band to secure the wig on my head. You can see because I already styled the wig, I needed not to do much. And what I will do now is just to go ahead and apply Got2b glue gel, the black one. And I shift the wig back a little bit. Apply the Got2b glue gel just a little bit, not much. I don't usually use much of this glue gel, and allow it to be tacky a little bit. Placing the wig, just try to press the wig down at the front, and then use the edge styler to press it down a little bit, and comb the baby hairs. Try to style it to my own desire till I'm satisfied with the look. Brush the second side. You can see how it looks right now, and you can see the wig is now unmovable. And you can see how deep the part looks. Very gorgeous summer wig. I will lay down the flyaway hairs a little bit, straight the wig a little bit. And then this hair is already very silky and soft. I needed not to do much. Brush the wig, and then this is how it looks. You can see the finished look of the wig. This is the gorgeousness of the wig. You can see this summer, if you are looking for affordable, easy wig to rock this summer, straight hair, go for this wig. Very easy to style. And the part is deep 6x6, which is very nice. The silkiness of this hair is bomb.com. Everything about this wig, I love it. If you also want to do 2 or 3 braids, 3 cornrows at the front, it will be possible because the lace is also wide. And then you can see the back of the wig. The inches, I was kind of liking short inches. You guys know how Freedomstyles love long inches, but this 20 inches, I was kind of liking it. And you can see me rocking the wig. And I will also show you guys at the end of this video how to remove the wig. Don't forget that this wig is from Asteria.com. This is their straight 6x6 closure wig, 20 inches. And the density of this wig is 180. And 6 inches deep part closure. The wig is affordable, and I will make sure to put all the details in the description box below. To remove the wig, what you need is just water. Spray in a little bit of water, and then you are ready to go. And sometimes you can also apply conditioner or water, and then you can see the wig will be off. If you enjoyed this video like as I enjoyed it, filming it, give a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.